Hey, what's up, man? Gary Walker here with WalkerFitMuscle.com, and welcome back for another video. All right, today's video is all about losing fat, man. So I'm gonna give you a 15-minute at-home fat loss workout that you can do. Here's the cool thing, all you need is body weight. That being said, let's get busy. Before I get into the actual workout, for helping you burn fat rapidly, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Also, make sure you click on that bell notification or that bell icon. That way you get notified every time I upload a new video. Also, I'm currently uploading every Monday and Friday, so make sure you check out some of my older videos as well. Got tons of videos on workouts, nutrition, motivation, anything you need, I've got it. Just go back and check some of those out. All right, one last thing before I get into the workout. This is a fat loss workout. So at the end of the day, if you are all about fat loss, then you gotta make sure you're eating right as well, because you can't out-train a bad diet. I know you've heard it before, but I just want to reiterate that. It doesn't matter how hard you work. If you go home and eat burgers, pizza, tacos, all of these things, then guess what? You're just spinning your wheels, man. You're busting your ass in the gym for no reason. So all you have to do is just create a calorie deficit, eat better, and then you're going to add this workout and then start burning fat rapidly. That being said, all right, here's the thing. This is a Tabata style workout. So Tabata meaning, there's free Tabata apps all over the place. Just get you a Tabata app and you're gonna set it up this way. 5 exercises. 5 exercises, the work time you're gonna be doing is 45 seconds. So exercise interval, 45 seconds. 15 seconds of rest. So that's how this is set up. So each exercise, you've got about a minute, all right? You got 45 seconds of work, 15 seconds of rest. You're gonna do that for 5 exercises. And where does the 15 minutes come from? You're doing this for 3 rounds. You're gonna go through all 5, then you're gonna rest your 15 seconds, go back to the top, do them again. Once you've completed them all, go back to the top and then do them again. All right, the first exercise you are gonna be doing is a body weight squat. So again, I'm giving you 5. Here's the thing, body weight squats, I really like starting off with the body weight squats because it's gonna help loosen up your hips and your knees. It's gonna get some blood flow into your quads and your glutes and your hamstrings. And it's also gonna get some synovial fluid, which is gonna help lubricate your joints. So the key with doing the body weight squats is to not just rep them out. That's not the goal with the 45 seconds. You don't wanna just do as many reps as possible. You wanna do quality reps. You wanna really focus on going as deep as you can at the bottom of the movement and contracting with those quads and the glutes on the way up with each and every rep. Go full range of motion. As you do more and more reps, you're gonna be able to get a little bit deeper. As you start loosening up your hips and your knees and you start getting some blood flow going, then it's gonna be a little easier for you to get deeper into your movement. All right, so once again, you're gonna do your 45 seconds and then you're gonna rest 15 seconds. And then you're gonna get into a phantom jump rope. If you have an actual jump rope and you like doing jump ropes, then use the actual jump rope. I do the phantom because it's something I've gotten used to. I used to work out in my basement with the really low ceiling and I couldn't use a jump rope, but I love the jump rope movement. So I created the phantom jump ropes. So here's the key with the jump rope. So I don't want you to just hop up and down. Even if you're doing the phantom version, I want you to simulate an actual jump rope because that actually helps work your shoulders and your upper back as well. So you're gonna get good upper body movement while you're getting this metabolically active movement as well. So that's a cool thing with a phantom jump rope is you're boosting your metabolism. So you're burning your quads, you're burning your calves, you're burning your shoulders. So you're getting good muscular work, but you're also boosting that metabolism. All right, 45 seconds of your phantom jump ropes, rest 15 seconds, and then we're gonna get into a push-up movement. So you're gonna wanna do push-ups. Here's the cool thing with push-ups. You're gonna be working your chest, your shoulders, and your triceps, and your core because you're doing push-ups for 45 seconds. Do as many as you can but do them slow, under control, and make sure you're using a full range of motion. Get your chest all the way down, contract all the way up to the top. Get your chest all the way down, contract all the way up to the top. Because it's 45 seconds, not all of you will be able to do it. I get it. So if you have to drop down to your knees to finish, then do that as well. But the key is to do as many as you can and push yourself. This is a short workout. It's only 15 minutes. So do as many as you can, but again, know that you have to challenge yourself. All right, now you're gonna get into a killer exercise because you've been doing 45 seconds of push-ups, which means you've pre-exhausted and fatigued your chest, your shoulders, and your triceps. Now after your little 15-second break, guess what? You're still gonna stay in that same position and do mountain climbers. The mountain climbers are gonna be a tremendous metabolically boosting exercise as well, but go at your own pace. Your arms are gonna be burning, your chest and your shoulders are gonna be burning because again, they've already been pre-exhausted. But here's the thing, you can go right knee to right arm, left knee to left arm, as slow as you need to, but if you're fit and more conditioned, then man, go all out and sprint. Push yourself with this exercise. Knee to chest, high and as fast as you can. All right, even if you can only do a 10-second sprint the first 10 seconds, then slow it down for the next 15, 20 seconds, and then get back into a sprint to finish out until you hit your 45 seconds, okay? But the goal is to just do what you can as long as you're pushing yourself and really, really challenge yourself with these. All right, now once you've done this, you're gonna rest 15 seconds and get into the last exercise in the circuit. This is a burpee. However, with this burpee, you're gonna drop down and not do the push-up. You've already stimulated your chest, shoulders, and tries. You don't really wanna do the push-up. You're gonna get into a bottom burpee position, then you're gonna hop back up, and then you're gonna do a knee tuck jump. Get your knees up towards your chest. That's one rep, and it is a full body movement, man. You're really gonna feel this work. You're really gonna feel it burn. So again, every single rep should be slow and under control. So don't sit there and just try to knock out as many as you can for the sake of knocking out reps. You wanna make sure you're doing them under control because you don't wanna get injured either. So again, you're dropping down to that bottom position, hopping back up, and then jumping by getting those knees up towards your chest. You're gonna finish this. That's the end of round one. Rest 15 seconds, go back to the top of the bodyweight squats, and you're gonna do it again. All right, and you're gonna do this for 3 rounds. So yes, you're gonna be out of breath. That's the key. You're boosting your metabolism, which means you're burning a ton of fat. And you're also gonna be building a little bit of muscle, man, because you're getting lactic acid and blood drawn into the quads and the glutes and the hams and your chest and your shoulders and your tries. So we're still working your muscle. We're stimulating your muscle and boosting your metabolism at the same time. So that's what makes this such a great workout. But all right, guys, if you have any questions about any of the exercises, about the structure, the Tabata app, anything like that, comment below and let me know. I'm answering all your questions, man. I don't know if you noticed that. If you've commented before, I'm getting back to you. So if you have any question about anything, make sure you leave it in the comment section and I will answer your question. Also, just to reiterate, go back and check out some of my other videos because at the end of the day, if you're doing this and not eating right, you're just spinning your wheels, like I said. So make sure you're pairing this with great nutrition. I've got awesome nutrition videos breaking down everything that you should eat, when to eat, how to eat, all of those things. So check those out as well. Other than that, man, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Let me know you liked it. And that's all I got. Get busy, get after it, and God bless, man.